Hey foodie, welcome to #InstaFood. Today I'll be reviewing Blaze Pizza's do-it-yourself kit. Enclosed in the kit are all these amazing fresh ingredients. You get the dough, you get the toppings of your choosing. All you have to do is log on to DIYblaze.com for the instructions, and you can place your order through their website. So I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees, and for my pizza, I'm going to be using my cast iron skillet. So as you can see, I'm just using my cast iron skillet. It is pre-seasoned already, and the dough has olive oil on it, so I'm not at all concerned about it sticking. I just mainly want to stretch it about the cast iron skillet and ensure that I don't have any tears or holes. So that's what I'm doing. But I am going to go back in with my fork, and I'm just going to pierce it, okay, so that I can create little air vents so we don't have too much bubbles and so that everything is flat. So I'm going in with the marinara, and guys, it smells so good, this pizza sauce. I mean, it's incredible. So I'm using my spoon and just spreading it about. I'm gonna go back in there with the roasted garlic. I love roasted garlic because it's sweet. The garlic has caramelized and released its sugars, so that's a good topping. I'm also going in there with pepperoni, which is a classic. You can never have enough pepperoni. So, this little small personal pan is stacked with so many great flavors, but I'm gonna make room for these pepperonis. All right, and of course you have pepperoni, so you have to put something green on top. So I'm putting spinach. I'm just gonna spread that about right on top, okay? And, I have fresh mozzarella, and I'm just gonna grab a knife real quick so that I can quarter the mozzarella. It's just easier that way. I mean, I'm sure you probably could just tear it with your hands too, but just spread it about the pizza, okay? Just like so. Wonderful. And now it's time for the glue. This is the glue that's gonna hold all those beautiful toppings down, the shredded mozzarella cheese. So just spread that about, just like so. Get every single bit of it. Perfect. And so that's the Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put that on at the end, but I should probably tell you, if you don't have a cast iron skillet and you're gonna be using a pizza stone or some other type of skillet, and you're afraid that it's going to stick, enclosed in the kit was also like a cornmeal flour type consistency. And so you could basically just you could lay that down on your pan and then put the dough on top of it and it won't stick. So you're gonna pop this into your oven, okay, for 12 to 15 minutes until it's nice and golden brown and the cheese is all bubbly. Oh, look at that. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me put that handle protector on so I don't burn myself. And I'm gonna take my little pizza roller cutter thing and make my little pieces. I'm gonna quarter the pizza, and that's for me. And there you have it. I love you so much for watching. I hope you guys stay safe. And for more information on this recipe, definitely click the link in my description. Thank you.